As you can see, our tigers is here. We have 6 tigers inside. We have 4 males and 2 female. They are around 2 to 3 years of age. Look here.
यहाँ पे देखो तो देखो पीछे आ रहा है तो वाओ
Tigers, as you can see,
देखो
they have
वाओ
stripes. The individuals are the same stripes just like human fingerprints. Tigers can grow
करेगा
up to
हमला
8 feet, including the tail, and it can weigh up to
इधर
100 to 300 kg or 220 to
जाने दे रहा
660
देखो
pounds.
He feels lonely.
They're trying to chase us.
Talk to him.
Okay, so tigers, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, rank list number 3, appendix number 2, they are listed as endangered animals due to massive hunting for their skin, meat, teeth of these animals and loss of their habitat.
Aşağıda bekle. Bekle durursun. Bekle kullan. Nasıl bu lan?
Di ba want to pass by?
Sarı sarı.
नहीं जाने ही दे रहा है हाँ बस के सामने पे
Tigers are nocturnal animals, so usually they're active during night time. They have this
Yung गाड़ी
excellent
पंचर हो जाए तो अभी
great eyesight. So it's 10 times stronger than human eyesight. And they are solitary, so as you can see, they're not living in
सुंदर यार
groups together, but mostly they prefer to be alone. Tigers can live 25 years. They're giving birth up to 3 to 4 cubs. Sexual maturity, 2 to 3 years of age. So no, this is the youngest one.